Welcome to the Introduction to Microsoft 365 Excel Templates, Part 3 of 12 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Table of Contents, Backstage Templates, Create Template, Invoice, Format Template, Invoice, Save Template, Invoice. If anyone needs instructions on how to have two windows open at the same time, please see Excel 365 Video 1. Click File. This area is called the Backstage area. Under the Home section, there are templates to choose from. If you wish to see a bigger selection, click More Templates. Clicking More Template opens the New section. Search for an invoice you like so you don't have to start from scratch. For the tutorial, Simple Invoice was selected. The pre-designed template is now inserted on the worksheet. To change the name, click on the company name. The text box will appear. To enter a new name, start typing in the text box. The old name will disappear and the text you type will be visible. If there is not enough room for the company name, place the cursor on the right side of the vertical line of the text box, and the cursor will look like this. Hold down the left mouse button and drag until all of the name is showing, then release the mouse. Click each section and a text box will appear. Example, street address was clicked and is ready to enter information into the text box. Even before you enter any data, if you select the price section, the formula will appear above in the formula bar. Enter the quantity, unit price, discount, and Excel will automatically calculate the price. Because you didn't have to create the invoice from scratch and it auto-calculates, it helps you to save time. Change the background colors of the template. Go to the Page Layout tab, Theme Group, click Colors. You can change the colors by clicking on the individual sections of the template and using the theme colors. Click the Save icon on the Quick Access toolbar, rename the file, and select the location of where you would like it saved. Click Save. If you wish to reuse this template for another recipient, delete all the information pertaining to the current recipient of the invoice and change the name before saving. Click File, click Save As. Select a location and rename the invoice. Example, Fishing Hole Template. Notice the location selected was desktop, however, Excel is going to change the location. Now change the Save As type from .xlsx to *xltx using the drop-down arrow. Click Save. The location where it has been saved at is automatically changed by Excel to Custom Office Templates. Click on File, click New, click Personal. Below Personal is the custom template you just created. Any template you create can be accessed very quickly from the Custom Office Templates. It can be saved in other locations as well, but cannot be accessed from Custom Office Templates if saved elsewhere. To close the worksheet without closing Excel, use the shortcut Ctrl+W, or use Save As and click New. A new worksheet will open. Fruitland Park Library. This concludes the introduction to Microsoft 365 Excel Templates Part 3 of 12 parts. Thank you for joining us for Part 3. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining parts 4 through 12 of Microsoft Excel 365. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this tutorial, please contact gloria.terry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.